Hello and welcome to Tech Open Air 2014. I'm here with Kate Unsworth, the CEO and founder of Kovert Designs. When did you get to Berlin and how does it feel to be here?
I got here a few days ago, had a bit of a kind of party weekend, watched the football, which was amazing, saw Germany rise to the top. And yeah, been hanging around the event today and it's really cool venue.
And you already gave your talk. What was your talk on?
I already gave my talk. It was on wearable tech in the fashion industry. So we were working, kind of looking at how the two industries are intersecting and how it's evolving and the difficulties with that.
Excellent. So Kovert Designs, tell us just a little bit about it, where you guys are at, what's coming in the next 6 months.
Yeah, so we basically create designer jewelry with electronics embedded inside, which connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and you can program it to do things. So the first feature that we're launching is that it vibrates if something important happens on your phone. After that, we're integrating touch payments and gesture control and biometric sensors and all this kind of stuff. So we're launching pre-orders next month. And then we go to market in the run-up to Christmas, and we're launching an exclusive collection with Net-a-Porter, which is exciting. So we launched very much as a fashion brand rather than a tech brand, but we're a tech company at heart.
Which is a good question. Do you describe yourself as a tech company or a fashion company first?
Kind of both, really, I guess. If I had to kind of pick it apart, I'd say we're a fashion brand, but a tech company. So what I mean by that is the majority of our team are engineers. But the way the consumer sees us would be as a fashion brand. So you're more likely to find our products in a department store with the designer jewelry than you would with gadgets or kind of homeware stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And so why is all of this so important, the ability to use tech to disconnect?
So for me, I just think, I don't know, wearables so far, it's really cool, it's really innovative industry. But for somebody like myself, I have quite a short attention span, and you know, wearing a smartwatch that notifies me of emails or wearing kind of glasses that notify me when things are happening is just super distracting. And I think some people want to have the opportunity to actually do the opposite and to be able to take a step back and kind of, you know, that doesn't mean you do that all day, every day. You know, there's times of the day where you need to be on your phone, you need to be active, but perhaps 1 hour a day or 2 hours a day when you're spending time with your family, or, you know, you need to be creative, because actually when you're in that kind of data consumption mode, you're not in creativity mode. So how do we empower people to be able to take a step back and actually, you know, give them the option at least to be able to disconnect sometimes. So that's what we're trying to build.
Absolutely. And so tell me about like maybe what you see in 5 years' time for Kovert Designs. Or, you know, is every lady at this conference going to be wearing one of your rings?
I hope so. What do we see? I mean, the jewelry kind of line is always going to be a big part of what we're doing, but it's not the be all and end all, and we're kind of already looking at a number of other product lines. So, you know, we're looking at designer furniture that, for example, charges anything you put on it, and, you know, a different kind of Internet of Things based products that make your life easier without you having to manually go in and program them. So it's all about, we're all about technology kind of operating in its own space, in its own way, without human interaction being necessary. So it could go a number of different ways. I mean, what we're really keen to do is make sure we're really talking to the consumer and working out exactly what they want before we go and build it, rather than just kind of building whatever we can build. And it comes back to that kind of quote that, I don't know who said it originally, but it stuck with me, but just because we can build it doesn't mean we should build it. So we kind of try and really make sure that what we're building is useful to the consumer.
Kate, thanks so much for joining us today. Again, this is Kate Unsworth, the founder and CEO of Kovert Designs. We're at Tech Open Air. You can follow along with the hashtag TOA14.